Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look that I'll be doing is Kuromi from Sanrio. Let's get started. We're gonna get started with gluing down half of my eyebrows. Then we're gonna set them in place with some powder. Now I'll be applying a few layers of the white face paint. I'm using the sponge to set the makeup evenly. Afterwards, I'm going to be setting the face paint with some baby powder and a fluffy brush. After that, I'm removing the remainder of the makeup from my lips. And now I'm dusting off the excess baby powder. Now I'm going in with the hot pink from the XM Beauty eyeshadow palette for the blush. Afterwards, I'm going to start brushing out my brows. Then I'll be filling them in with the black from the same eyeshadow palette. After brushing out my brows again, I'll be going in with some mascara for my lashes. Now it's time for the hot pink eyeshadow cut crease. I'm going to start sketching out where I want the eyeshadow to lay. After getting the eyeshadow how I want it to be, I'm going to start blending it out. Afterwards, I'm taking the same white face paint and a flat brush to create the cut crease. Then right after, I'm going to be setting the cut crease with some white eyeshadow and a fluffy brush. So again, I'm blending some of the pink into the cut crease. Now for the top lip, I'm going in with some black face paint. And now I'm going to be setting the top lip with some black eyeshadow. For the bottom lip, I'll be using some nude lipstick and some pink eyeshadow. After that, I'm just adding some small little details. Next, I'll be starting off with some eyeliner. Eventually, after the eyeliner is dry, I'm going to be adding some false lashes. I had to stack one lash on top of the other to give the lashes more volume. Hey guys, I'm back. I added all the finishing details to the makeup look. Really love how it came out. So yeah, I'm gonna go throw on my wig and my outfit, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. This is how the finished Kuromi look came out. I really do love it, and I really love the pink and black combo because that's my favorite color combo, and how just everything came out. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.